Are you tired of searching for the button block in Odoo's website builder? Master the exact 9 clicks to add, customize, and save a button on your homepage. We'll start from the homepage, drag the button block into place, edit its label, and save your changes. First, navigate to the homepage to get started. Then open the website app from there. Now, click the Edit button at the top right corner to enter edit mode. Then, on Inner Content, click and drag the button block onto your page. Once it's placed, click on the button you just added. Then click on Edit to open its settings. Here, you can change the title. For example, type Contact Us. Click Apply to keep your changes. Finally, click Save at the top right corner, and that's it. Your button is ready. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.